Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning. So this morning is the morning when we will be going to
Holywell.
and our lovers hike people, and we get up and they're not even light out yet. I not even turn the camera if you wanna see, but anyway, Ozzy there. I got to crush planting. So I'm just peeling planting. So he's cutting them up. And I am going to pack people. So this is our nice lovely chicken fry. Yup. So mega pack. I have to look a plate. Yeah, this away. This is what our rolls. That's our roll. With dinner bread. And this is to go with the fish. Yes, people. So what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna make with tea. And Ozzy gonna fry the plantain. So we are sticking our chicken right beside our fish. We're not using a different container at all.
Start already.
Is that what?
Eat the food and eat skin and a skin. That you take out.
No, that's not skin, baby.
That's
a little piece of the flesh. See here? Look right here.
Okay. Some people skin no flesh again.
Look, point the camera right there, please. This is what. That's what come off. That's what came off. Alright, the people, so we are packed in the early morning, yeah. So I'll eat that.
Where the meat kind is concerned.
Boss frying planting them golden brown people. So we can just pack them away. You know, the bounty is just to absorb the oil. Just pack them away, right? Yes, guys, we are all packed and we're ready to go. You ready, babes?
Voila. Holywell.
Yeah, comfortable shoes. Alright, this is our hiking bag, people. I know we have a thermos.
Water for white feet. Water for Ozzy.
Thermos with tea. And we look a basket with a little goodie. So we'll leave out now, people, alright? So we'll take you on that journey. Let's go.
And this is wife all decked out, ready.
Yeah.
You know, she always have to show she have. But that's it.
Don't worry, I'll take you on that journey.
Not worrying at all.
Let's go.
Okay. Moving out.
Packing out. People, don't see the thermos them big. Those man thermos full of tea.
Thermos.
That's the queen thermos.
What's my right lady?
What that?
My fish. Yeah, kick like a Van Damme.
Alright, people, we are on the journey. So we are gonna meet the bus right about now.
I'm telling you, drive like you.
So we are at our meeting place, people. And we are pulling in. Yes, guys, so we are here waiting on the bus.
Chilling in the morning breeze. Morning breeze is so cool. Yeah.
And the morning is so...
You look like policeman and Adam. Adam, you can say. Police Adam. I look like him.
I don't know which one.
It's a beautiful
Well, you look
day.
like
It's
him.
a beautiful day. It's a glass alone, a feed glass. A barren glass.
Oh yeah, and a glass for me to always, you know. So we are waiting on the bus, people.
Who wake up yet? This is who wake up yet? Early in the morning. Not even sun, no rise yet. You hear now you're in a rooster crow? That simply means that we are at a different location. We are at a different location. Just chilling. We are waiting for the bus, people.
It's about chilling. We are
Finally, me drop
waiting
my
on
wife
the bus.
and she early. Normally she not early, but
Who always wake up? Who always wake up and wake you up? Who wake up first?
that when you want to come cook.
People.
Any other
Morning.
time, you know you come, brother.
That's not true. People, when I wake up early in the morning to exercise, my husband will get up. You know, like exercising.
Me exercise right through the day.
Doing what?
My work,
Maybe.
exercise and walk up and down and be active. Run up and down. Climb. You know, see some people they put a little chair or step up on it and step down, step up on it, step down. Exercise. Me climb all 5 feet up, come back down. The next time I climb all 20 feet up, come back down.
That's not exercise. People don't see the amount of food in yamming in the morning.
Work off it right through the day.
Exactly.
Come back home and more food. And me say food.
So guys, we have just left Spanish Town on our way to when the overreach with our relationship, right? Yeah, with the help of God. You know, with God all things are possible, right, my peeps?
Amen.
You were saying? People, the walking journey start here, so sun is hot. Some persons are staying on the bus while some is doing the walking. It's a lot of walking. I heard it's a lot of walking, but a good exercise. Sun hot people out there. My eye queen job. You see me eye queen job? And that's Lady J. My eye queen job people look at my eye. The sun turn up. Hot. Hot sun. Woo. I'm going to try to keep a straight face. Whoa. Scenery, people. That scenery is lovely. Look at that scenery. Beautiful Jamaica. The sun is out. But no morning sun. Good food no do. Yeah. Morning sun is the best sun. So there are people leave on the bus who is not walking, but we are doing the walking. Yeah, that's our crew. So we are doing some stretches, guys, before we take on the walking. Yeah.
You may not need it later on, but still, so if you have this sweater you want to put on the bus, it's up to you. Alright? It doesn't look like it's going to be rainy, but then the time can change anytime.
Anytime.
So also, we on board, but the bus when we go up this. I think I might
The bus going.
recording and then
The bus.
Yeah, good
any aerobic person you want to just move with the stretch, start like Alright, so you're here now, you can do it?
You're here no. The one the bad. The one the bad.
Front on the right leg.
Hey, go on.
Walk up a second. Aerobic.
You know good to stretch so much.
Then to the left.
Feel already?
Then to the left. Come on. Just come back.
So that's Babes over there doing him stretch. People eat food already, you know, people. Food I eat. Yes. No one the bad.
Yeah.
Alright. Moving over. Right. Right here. Over to the left. Stretch out your hamstring.
Don't hold it too long. Don't hold your hamstring too long. Don't hold it too long.
In terms of exercise, him job.
It's a mind exercise.
It's now or never. Time to walk. The bus gone now, people. The bus gone now. Eh? Take up your bag. Lovers hike, people.
Are you ready to go now?
Where we going? Up? Woo! Who said that? Who did say that? Somebody said that, you know.
Some mountain thing.
I took over some tree stuff
And never the sun, right?
right now. When you mentally prepare to walk on the road.
See, babes throw him back in the bush here. It look like he might leave it, me no know. Time to start the journey, people. Can I get my hat? I need my hat now. No, it's in the bag. I put it in the bag. So it's a beautiful scene, people. The sun is out and it's a beautiful, beautiful scene. Can I zoom in on that building there? Whoa. That's where they train the soldiers, people. Beautiful scene. It's a sunny day. And you know, in Jamaica, the sun turn up, right? I'm sending you some sunshine. All those who don't have the sunshine, I'm sending you some sunshine. I don't catch you guys, you know. Yes, when the walking hit her, you see her? When the walking start, people, when she tired. So guys, I have to get a view of this. This is pine tree. Yes, somebody just told me that. Look how tall it is. Oh my God. And there goes the crew. All the way up. Oh my God, I love this scenery. Whoa. Whoa. I am capturing everything. Woo. Oh Lord. Me I show you how we skill people as a Jamaican. Alright? Let me show you something. Some awesome. Look here, people. I want to see it in so me I zoom right in. Oh, see that? Some house that, you know. Can you believe that? These are houses, people. And I open at the hill with there. And you best believe it, there are roads to take you there. Welcome to Jamaica. This is Jamaica, my people. We are skillful out here. House again, people, on the hill. You see, we skillful people. It's a stick that, you know, him just broke right there and then. Yes, man.
I think it's a
What is that? You want to tell us?
no idea.
You don't know? So why you pop it? Why you? Let me zoom in.
What's that? It's a pine cone. Pine cone?
Oh, it's a pine cove, people. I did not know.
For all who know and those who
For
know.
those who know and those who don't know and those who want to know, it's a pine cove. Can you bust that lyrics again, please? That's two lovers, people. That's two lovers. The tumors. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. People, me have to go to a scene. Me have to go to look at the scene here. Trust me. Whoa. Hills and valleys. Yeah, I hear it. People don't hear the river. Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. Woo! I love my country. If you don't hear me a little bit out of breath, people, I am walking. I am walking. And there is some house down in the valley. Whoa. Oh my gosh. And this is our little crew. I mean the crew them who can walk and who is, what would you say now, healthier or stronger or been exercising. They are ahead of us. But we have a really good time. Yup. We are going to reach. We will reach. Yup, we must reach. Yeah.
Yeah! Pastor, why you know what they Pastor, you know the new plan.
No, we are waiting.
We want to see the river come. We want to stop at the river. Three 360, 360, 360.
Like Nehemiah. So he was the person who gets all of the food. That's word. Right there, keep it tasting. The young son. Yeah, man. That was good.
Right up. The big Duckans Nest people. Woodpecker alone make nest in it?
Yeah, man, me no cool stone over it. Then you got tonight too? Oh, yeah, that is a fire easy, man. Yeah, man, that's something. Give me the bush and the bush cooking and not have anything.
Yeah.
And you catch beside that and go so.
That can catch fire good thing. Oh, wait down.
Or pass on yourself. You see it?
What?
The duck and stuff.
Yeah, man, I zoom in and catch it. It's a big one.
Oh, no, you must have known it. You must have known it's different from duck and stuff. Yeah, man. Cool. Like this. And then just one.
These trees grow really tall, guys. Greenery. Oh my, the scenery is something to die for, people. I'm not gonna lie. Do you hear the sound of the river, people? Just listen quietly and you will hear the river roaring. Do you hear that? So they are blowing the whistle, meaning something is coming. So we have to pull aside. That's the sound of the river, people. Can you listen? The more quiet the place is, the more you are hearing it. That's beautiful music the river is singing. Wow. Wow, so this is a group, people. Okay, did you have fun? We did. Okay. So these are some hikers. They reach earlier than us. We just are rich people. No, you're the truck there. This is how truck navigate corner, people. This is our truck navigate corner. This is how truck. This is how big truck navigate the corner, people. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Well, people, I know you guys can hardly see. I could even. Woo.
Listen for the history.
But we're not taking the trap.
No, I don't want to take
the picture. Very military. So we go there. Again, this is a nice important area. Once you are here, first floor here.
Snap it, babes. Use your phone.
A long time this will get no maintenance.
Cameraman.
For real.
No, sir, I can't answer no.
Oh.
Again, we try to stay on the right hand. Just take him and it take. Watch it out.
So we're having a wonderful time, people. The sun is really hot, but it is warm. It is warm. We're having a wonderful time walking in the sun. In the morning sun, people don't know morning sun, good food, no don't. Me not have to say no more. Yep.
We are taking a little walking.
People, you see that scene? I think this is where scary movie act. Part of scary movie. Just this scene alone. What do you remember? Can someone tell me? Clock is ticking. Scary movie, people. I just mention it. So anybody say scary movie on the right. Oh, King Kong, yes. That movie. Jesus. That movie. Whoa, people, this is where some scary movie act. Me I tell you no, the scene is beautiful. Oh my God. So this is a milepost, people. Only in a country you see them something here. Are you seeing it good? Only in a country. So no know so in a country don't. You know see them something here town, you know? Milestone. No me love. Not country. Representing country. Only in the country, my peeps. Only in the country. Wow. Yeah, only in a country. Only in a country you see them something they don't. Yeah.
You know, one day right up on the top.
A long time something. People.
I know the night is here.
In a bush, them stick they broken up people. Hello.
Take your time, guys. We have a lot of time. And we're not half the journey yet, so we're talking about going forward and nothing, man. Nothing. We have a reach.
Good.
As I said, the walk is not very bad, but you also have to have a mindset. You have to command, you let the mind command the body that you're on a high. So it's a little command. I'm not going fast, suffocate and then take some way. Alright, but yeah. But there's one major thing that I must talk about. That is a disappointing. But again, I say that we are mixed people, but primarily this is a church. And I've gotten a little complaint about the radical terms of speaking in me. I'm going to ask you, I don't need to know anything, but I'm just going to ask that it's not in you. As a matter of respect for what's wrong? Yeah, as a matter of respect for the group, I'm going to ask that you try to pay attention to that, alright? Again, I spoke about the smoking when we were back down there. I really don't know if anybody smoke, but we're asking that that's not be done. Okay? So, please, it's a little disappointing that I got that in the report. Again, I don't really know the reason of this thing, but I'm just going to ask you. Stay a little particular. Is that first type and most Christian diarrhea. While we live together, we want to stay. Alright? So far we're going well. So should be spending at least 2 to 3 hours at Holywell. And then the bus is going to take us back. So, should be having a good. You know the time is later on. So you know the time is later on. We can stop for snack later this year. The bus now is at Newcastle. I figure everybody can make it to Newcastle. If you get to Newcastle and you feel like you do not want to do the final 2 miles, then you can go and go. But apart from that, from Newcastle to Holywell, over in it's flat, and it's a nice place. So, we put up again, everybody remember the person that try and make a little bit up again. Okay.
So we are on the journey. Wow. Again. I see, but I didn't want to
When I come, no light.
Beautiful, it's awesome, great, great.
She's making it. Don't comment on this time. Don't comment on this time, man. Don't comment.
Everybody is making it, so no comment.
Heartwarming. Poor heart.
Poor heart. It's a nice exercise.
Yaba, 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 yaba.
Our soldiers.
Hey, you. Yaba, 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 yaba.
We are on the training, people.
You can't even hear what I say. Hey, oh. Yabba, 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 yabba.
Christian, you know me.
So I don't know who that people.
Alright, see you again. And later on.
You go be mine. See you make sure you dig back and water to walk in the head. You don't want to do
When I hear that, people, it takes 2 to make this thing work. So your strength is my strength.
Your weakness is my weakness.
You go, brother.
Yes, I'm feeling it.
The AC breeze.
All of a sudden, you put that up on a hill we are.
Bishop wouldn't do that.
You don't know what type Bishop is here. God, you know.
That is so true. Whistle a blow, people. Anytime we hear the whistle, that means we stay to one corner. Danger, danger. Danger, people, when you hear the whistle. Danger, danger. So people, this is where we are coming from. Look at that. That's where we are coming from. Persons can't believe that's where we are coming from. Look at that. Whoa.
Wow. See there?
Beautiful scene. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scene. That's where we're coming from. And some are ahead while some is in the middle. That's the encouraging song, people. All right, to the right. Danger, danger, danger. That's a mango tree, people, full of blossom. Look at this scene. Can you imagine you drop down here, so people? Oh God, the amount of roll, more than roll. Huh? Whoa.
How them get them mango ya?
I don't know if you know.
Every mango drop down on the ground.
Jesus. A mango tree them there? But can anyone reach those mangoes? That's a waste. That's really a waste, people. But guess what? We're full of mango tree out here. We are very fruitful. Welcome to Jamdong. And that's the road where we are coming from, and we are on top of the hill. Oh my God. Whoa. Yeah. So people, look at the scene. This is we up here, and look where we are coming from. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at her. Just a warm now, brother.
Oh my God. Yes. Change position. And she wanted the bus earlier on, but you see how fit she is? That's where we're coming from. We are going good, more than good. Look at the scene, people. That's where we are coming from. Oh my God. I can't believe it. But you don't know we have stability. We're Jamaican.
We're walking before cars.
So this arrow indicates that we are going around a corner, right? I hear dog barking. We are in the cool now. Some persons are ahead of us, but we are making it. You left Ozzy behind. Fit so. Woo. We'll leave a banana tree, my people. So these are our friendly animals. Those sharp teeth. Look at that one. Beautiful scene, people. Beautiful view. That's the road. That's where we're coming from.
You guys going?
We're tired?
Yeah, my yard.
Are you your yard? Really?
I'm at my gate.
So can I get some water, please?
Well, apparently I have some water trouble now when I fix the pipe.
People, he mean people. He mean with him liquor water. Remember, water is not, food is the staff of life, but water, people, you need water more than anything else. And
You can do it!
scenery, people. How that vehicle here get up here, so? Where did that vehicle here? Hold on, let me watch my step. Oh, we drive there, I guess. Where's the guest house? Where this track lead you to? All the way up. Well, we're not going there though, but I'm just curious. And I see a sign right here. Dell. It doesn't tell you nothing at all, just Dell. But the road is all the way up. Beautiful scenery of Jamaica. Beautiful view. And we are all the way up, my people. People, look what I found. VW. What is VW, right? Yeah. People, them bus here used to run things. Yeah, man. On a no see a country where they don't. Patipan. Patipan or VW? Yeah. Once upon a time, you could pick your own fish and come and fry it. There, so.
Oh.
Car is coming. Peace. So this is Mr. Myers' car, the first car he has owned. Yeah, but because him get a different one, him just come. Him no want this again. And you know people me never drive in it yet, and the girls them did all over in it. You're the gentleman come from vehicle there? You hear that? This is a what? What is this? This is a what? It's a VW. Is where is TSC? Oh.
I must have white man only.
Bush house. Oh? Lady J, want the vehicle to in your ear?
I want bike and that.
So wait there. No, sir. We're going to have good view, people.
Only thing you drive 2022. 2022.
Yeah, man, see when it last drive there.
Individual are there Jamaica right now.
You know, when he come back, he might fix this up. This was when it has last drove 2022.
This one license insurance and it good to go again.
I remember we're in 2024 now, so a 2-year time.
Them a good cars here.
You said the tire them good. People don't know a country where they don't.
First one, no good. First one.
Bush house, yeah, me tell you. You gotta run come, so. Beautiful scenery, beautiful house. Not because of no concrete people. It's nice. This name take you back to your roots. Who remember them days, yeah? Take you back to your roots, people. You know what? A vintage is a really vintage people. Look on the scene, let me go. Miss me. Vintage up in the hill, people. Fish are fry. Whoa. And you know, everywhere you go, you see a dog, yeah? Everywhere we go, there's a dog, people. Whoa, this scenery is really nice. Whoa.
No ketchup?
No, sorry.
I know the dog, they're everywhere, people. The dog is everywhere. That is it about Jamaica. The dog is everywhere. See him there, people? Whoa. The view is something to die for, people. The scenery. Whoa. So this is a what? A rest stop?
Yep. I guess so.
This is nice though. This is nice. What is this? This is the rooster, babes. He make pure nice a morning time when we have the breakfast, people. See him there? See the rooster there, people? He make nice a morning time when we have the breakfast. That rooster there. See what I love there? That huge of a fish. Oh my. Now you call my name.
Baby, this is a jerk pan. Jerk pit.
This?
You want to find it or something nice?
So me night a jerk? So you can lift it up?
Not supposed to. You can, but you're not supposed to.
Oh, people, this is the first I'm seeing here, seeing this. So that's where they put the coal. Real Jamaican people. Real Jamaica. What vehicle is this now? This is a vintage, people. I don't know so where the country don't. Vintage. Such a vintage scene. Is our next vintage this, you know?
Yeah, this older than the one that we see.
We sit down there, so because you know this no move none at all.
Supposed to be about.
This no move. But at least the next one move.
Older than the 70s.
60s? Whoa. So you know, babes, I feel go side I go.
Can you imagine?
It's a vintage.
Once upon a time, you know, this was the thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You see your life evolve?
Me I tell you. You have one of these, I come to everybody look on you, yeah, big man, you know.
Yeah.
So, we say lights up to what the one we sit down there, so 2022
The next one is more modern than this.
people.
But 2021,
2021.
it's a jerk pit.
2021, I don't believe that. I tell them to take off the sticker and put it. This is impossible, people. But this is impossible, but this is what it says. That's what we are working with. Yeah? People not look on the wheel, talk it shoot, and them say 2021. At the last time since this drive, you know, tell me something. Want to check out the jerk pan, you know, people? At the first, I see one of them jerk pan here, trust me. First, I see one of them. Somebody couldn't come open here and take out the chicken. Let me get for go now view down in it. It hot, you know, very hot. Cheese on. See chicken there down in it, people. Well hot, Jesus. Boy. Me open it, you know, and it a burn me and me hold on pan it.
Yeah, me never give me tell say fit. Think the one.
It hot.
Fast look.
See the people? See the people? See the people?
I want it put in the cold.
Open it. So how them turn it? Up.
No, like
More than one.
thing and a round thing inside here. Classic man.
Classic. Classic thing, this
Natural,
people.
cool, natural.
Look.
Man, this was...
Let me see the video we take inside here.
I should take a picture of the next one too, you know. Yeah. See Papa the people with him wood. Cook him and go cook here now, you know. Yeah. These are coffee people. And we know say up here so the best coffee come from, don't? Woo, pretty. Blue Mountain coffee. People, them coffee are there, you know. Them coffee here, dear. So this is a coffee tree. If you don't know what a coffee tree look like, this is a coffee tree, people. Let me get a close up. Let you guys see it. Then we have the beautiful bamboo over and all the way up. And we have the beautiful sky. It is a beautiful day, my people. The breeze is cool. Ooh, I would do this again. Wow. And this is not Alan bamboo, but it's a lot of bamboo. I see Papa people, Papa come take up him wood them, I go cook. So this is a beautiful house down in the valley. And I sell that a long time. I see one house with cellar. Let me zoom in, let you people see it. Ew, beautiful. Whoa. More coffee tree, my people. You see how coffee tree. People, you see how short this coffee tree is. And it has on a lot of coffee. Whoa. So this is a nice clean place. I buck up. And where is this and what is the name of this place? It is so beautiful. Where, what is it?
Middleton Cafe.
Could you tell me a little
The
about?
community is Middleton also.
Oh,
Or commonly known as settlement.
yeah.
The name is Middleton. This is the coffee? Yeah. So it's been dried. After that, we're gonna roast it.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, it's already. Yeah. After we do it like that, we roast it. And then we serve it inside there.
wow.
Yeah, man. So the trees them along the slopes there.
Wow. So tell me a little more about this place. I am amazed because it is so
We're like 2 years old and growing, so
Good.
we're working our way up and getting it together.
so
Nice
wife and
Christmas
husband.
No.
Just good friends working together.
I'll cut that out, never mind, sorry. I love this place, guys. This is the chef, and your name is
Joel.
Joel. So anytime you guys coming up to Blue Mountain, this is the place to
check out the Milton Cafe.
make sure to check out. Let me give
100% Blue Mountain Coffee.
100% Blue Mountain Coffee, guys. And this is peaceful. Look at the, oh my lord, look at the that's the Jamaican nightingale bird.
Yeah, that's
Whoa,
the bird, yeah.
the humming. Whoa, this place is peaceful, because you see, if the place never peaceful, people, the bird wouldn't come here. So oh my gosh, this is so far from us. I would live here every day.
You can come on in and have a look.
Oh, thank you. Right. Oh my god, guys, this is really, really, really nice. This is really lovely. This is a scene I love. We love them something here.
Extension of our deck. So when we're planning on having karaoke, it's not nice. And that's the deck for it.
That's
It's in
the deck.
making. Yeah, it's in the making.
Oh, and people, that's a beautiful view. That's a beautiful view. Them some here take you back to your roots, you know, man.
If you look at all this side, we can actually show you our coffee plantation and the slope here. This is where we get our blue our coffee.
Wow.
These are all coffee trees.
These are
along the
all
slope
coffee trees.
here. Yeah.
So how you get down there to pick those?
Yeah, we actually have persons that come and do the reaping.
Oh.
Yeah, after that we pulp it and dry it and then roast it and then serve it back here.
So I'll take you to that process, guys. There is some out in the sun drying,
Yeah.
but people, this place is really, really amazing. Trust me. I am so sorry. You know, this is so far away. Oh God, I love it. I
Nice
love it.
view of the JDF military base.
Nice view.
Of
Wow.
course, that's the highest point on this side, which is the catching speech out there.
Where?
We see the poles, those are the radio towers.
Wow.
And that's the highest point and this point of the Blue Mountain.
So people want to see how far we're there? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm loving it. To be honest, I love it. I love it. And there's mango tree.
Mango, pine, and that's mahogany. You know, you see those fruits on it. That's mahogany.
That's mahogany tree?
Yeah, that's.
Hold on, I need to get a zoom. Hold on. So what is that thing on it? The
It's a
fruits?
fruit that's it here, but when it opens, you have nuts in it. Some persons eat it, but I've never tried it before.
Boy, would I love to try it. You know, have none up here, so?
No, them actually, you see all the trees that now, like, when them actually open, you can see them from here. But right now, times a bit cold, so then the fruit not gonna be ready until it gets a bit warm.
Warmer. Okay, understand. People, this place is really, really beautiful. Really beautiful. Boy, Jamaica has some nice place, you know, man.
Yeah, some hidden spot, yeah.
Some hidden, this is a hidden gem. Jesus, more mind of the chill where I come chill. Believe you me, people, the place is something to die for. I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you, people. The place is clean. The chairs are comfortable. And this take you back to your root. And I know stocious nothing. It just comfortable and it just
Nice, the rustic vibe.
nice like rustic
I
vibes.
just wanna keep it natural, nothing too fancy, but still Jamaican and still can.
Yeah, and you know what I love? I love the birds, the hummingbirds. They are all around.
Feed us for them, so if they can feed them.
Oh, that's
feeding.
why.
Yeah,
Yes.
so we feed them.
Oh God, them call me. So this is
Yeah.
where they feed from. That's why they are all up.
Yeah, that's the feeder for them.
Oh my
So we just put the
gosh.
feeder and they accommodate them and feed them.
Whoa. Oh my, I love this. I love this. Whoa. They make a run. Go on, come make a run, come. See there, people. Middleton Coffee. Very beautiful. You have a... Alright, I'll check that. I'll be sure to check that out. The environment, people, warm, friendly. Very nice. It's a hidden gem. This is a hidden gem, people. Oh my God. Whoa. And this is the coffee. This is a coffee that they put to dry. Alright, and then they beat this and serve it. This is the coffee, my people. Me? Yeah, me, I'll take you. Wagwan. Coffee. You want to tell me something about the coffee also? Mm-hmm.
When the coffee dry now, you see?
Mm-hmm.
And when them dry now, we ask them off like this.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you. This is the coffee now, the coffee bean now. So we send this and roast it, but it dry. When it dry, get dark,
Oh.
almost dark. So when we roast it now, we pound it up, and we're ready to make your tea.
We call it parching.
Yeah,
Parch,
yeah.
parch. That's the word I know. Yes.
But chewing it over now, we call it roast.
Yeah.
And it.
So this is your little business.
Yes, man.
So this now, when you parch it, you grind it.
Yes.
Or we get the walla bean same way.
Same.
I see the tree here. See the coffee tree here, you see it here? This one. You see the blossom
Yeah,
back
put
now for
on
beer?
back it blossom now for
The
beer.
blossom now for beer. This is the tree.
Wow.
And this one is gongo.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is dandelion, good for your back.
Dandelion.
Yeah, it's good for your back. You have pain your back and all those things.
How you use it? How you use the dandelion?
Well, it's a bean, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You shell it out and roast it just like a coffee.
Beer a pod.
Yeah.
This are
Where's the
just-
pod?
This are the pod.
Oh, so you shell that out.
Yeah, shell out this
And dry.
and dry it same way like the coffee.
Mm-hmm.
And parch it
Grind
same way. Grind.
And it's good for you. You can mix with the coffee too.
You can mix the dandelion with the coffee.
Yes.
So where those stronger?
No, it give it a little mild taste.
Yeah, it's strong. Give your strength to even walk to go to Holywell.
Wow. So how far up is Holywell?
What 3 miles from here?
4. Hey, that's how we Jamaicans see, you know, people. When you ask for direction, I just run the corner.
Mile though.
Eh?
You know the definition of a mile.
Mm-hmm. Tell me no.
Well, you see a mile now. A mile how more that put it here now.
Mm-hmm.
Our 100 odd kilometers now. So for years up,
Mm-hmm.
so the army camp over there.
Yeah, I get a view of it. Mm-hmm.
1.5 miles from here, so
Mm-hmm.
reach it, yeah.
No problem. We'll just take our time. So this is the great gungo. Gungo we cook and put in a rice and peas. So at the blossom of it, these people. I may just get an introduction from the great Ras. What is your name, sir? Campbell and Reed. Yeah, man, so I will have vibes with them people, but you know, so the crew them gone ahead of me, so I have to go run, go catch them up people.
You catch them because they are so fat.
Have a good one. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, me peeps, so I have to go catch them up here now. Alright, no problem. And cook. And cook and sit down and eat and yam. I saw Jamaican people stay, no man. Oh my God, man. Big up on yourself, man. Big up on How far did you guys walk up?
Today, we've done one. We're staying up at a cold spring there. You know Cold Spring? You'll pass it, the old Cold Heritage Cottage. And
Oh.
up through the forest. It's pathways through the forest, which come back out onto Newcastle.
Okay.
And then come back down. And there's another one up there. If you go, in fact, if you've got this pathway here, the old road used to run through the forest. It's collapsed now.
Stand out that.
The bypass goes through the old coffee plantation. Coffee field.
So,
Picking you up on the way back from Holywell?
yeah, the bus is up there.
Yeah.
So where you guys are from?
Kingston.
You're from Kingston? Oh, good.
Yeah, well, I've lived there 10 years.
10 years.
Kingston, Jamaica, yeah.
So you left America?
No, England.
England.
America.
Oh, you don't like America?
Sound like I come from America?
Yeah.
This is an English accent.
It's an English. I guess I don't. I guess I don't know the English.
No, from England, long time now.
Long time. You love Jamaica.
Yeah.
And you get a beautiful Jamaican wife. I guess this is your wife.
No, she's not my wife. She's my special friend. Long time special friend.
Oh.
Not actually married.
Oh.
That's the definition of wife.
Okay. Okay. So you love Jamaica.
Sorry. And I'm Hamish.
And you're?
And we Hamish.
Ooh.
And we spend every weekend going through this trail. Goes around. There's a lovely trail up through here. If you were on this trail, and it goes over that mountain there, cuts through the side, and goes down on the other side to Clifton Edge, the oldest, highest coffee plant, Clifton Mount.
Wow.
5,000 feet. And from there, there's a path which takes you all the way down to St. Peter's and Clydesdale.
Wow.
And when you get on the other side of that hill, you can see right down to the Yalas River and the waterfall coming down.
Yalas.
Yeah,
St.
Yalas,
Thomas.
Yalas falls on that
the
side.
river starts there.
That's the start of the source on that side.
Okay.
So you guys walk and go so far.
Yeah.
It's fun, right? It's fun for you.
Look, Jamaica Hash House Harriers. It's a walking running group.
I don't see Jamaica mark on that. I see hash hash.
We've got
I see
another
hash
one.
up your
Look,
life.
down here, look.
Hash up your life.
Yeah, hash up your life. But with Jamaica, Hash House Harriers, Kingston, Jamaica.
You love Jamaica.
We go trailing every fortnight. In fact, we're here because we've set a trail for tomorrow. And now when you go back up this road, you'll see some bits of white paper. Do you see? That's for tomorrow's trail,
Okay.
for the ones who are going to walk it.
How much of you guys gonna do
Today, tomorrow won't be far. Tomorrow's only 5 kilometres.
that? How many
Oh,
persons?
I reckon about 45 tomorrow.
Wow, that's a big group,
I
man.
know, and Laurie and I have to marshal them and make sure they don't get lost in the forest and everything else.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's amazing.
I stay at the back sometimes. Otherwise, Laurie stays at the back because she's too slow.
She's too slow. I see why you guys are.
There, which is about a kilometre and a half, and it's 4k. Is it? Yeah, 4. No, maybe 2.5.
About
Yeah,
that.
4. It's easy.
It's easy
Yeah,
because you guys do it every time, so it's
Yeah.
easy to you.
you'll enjoy it.
We'll enjoy it. Holywell is
We
nice.
walked up. You see the cemetery there? See the white cemetery? That white markers? That was the yellow fever cemetery for the soldiers.
Ooh,
None of them. None of the graves are marked.
none of them.
Unless you're an officer and their wives.
Oh, I see them. You know, can I zoom in?
I don't know.
I hold on. I
When
see
you
them.
get to Newcastle, it's the road is there that would lead you down to it.
Oh, where I could get a better.
Yes,
But
when
you're
you're
gonna
up
pass it. You have to walk down there.
I have
But
to walk
from
down
that
there.
cemetery, we were there last weekend, Laurie and I. There's a forest path which goes all the way down and cuts right down the hill and comes out on this road,
So you cut off
cutting
a
out
lot of
about
the
5
driving
kilometres. Comes out at a place called Del Penna. And that's the old military road from Kingston. We take you straight up to the barracks.
So what can you tell me about the soldier camp up there?
The soldier camp,
Mhm.
there's more history on it than I can tell you, but that camp was about 1840. In fact, when you get up there, they've now made tourists big platform signs. About 1840, the British Army used it as their main base, and they built it because the camp down on South Camp Road was causing probably 2 or 3 deaths a week of soldiers from yellow fever and jaundice and mosquitoes. So they got permission from the British government and the governor, and they built that up there to allow the soldiers to come and rest, and they reduced their malarial and yellow fever deaths down to maybe 1 or 2 a month.
Wow.
And that is part of it.
That's part of it because it's a lot of history.
Yeah.
All right, you know.
signs there.
And all these signs, and on the other side at Holywell, if you're down the other side of Holywell, Mr. Twyman's old coffee estate, that was the officers' resting place for the sick officers, and he's
Dawson's
used
Castle.
past Newcastle.
Wow.
Castle.
Castle Dawson.
Castle.
Castle Dawson, and there's the old, and down there you can still see it looks like the old officers' quarters
Ooh,
and old foundations. It's lovely.
lovely. Barbecue Heritage Garden of Cold Spring. Can you see the sign, people? And we book up on another vintage, people. Right in the bush right here, so you know me have to catch up with them guys at door. Them gone way ahead. I am way behind, and look at the road, my people. Look at the road. It's long and winding, but I'll be there. Yes, my people, you see that? You are entering Newcastle. And that's our hummingbird. So we are entering the JDF camp, guys. We are entering the camp. Ooh. And that's the crew. Reach long time. And a rest. So this is a different type of firm, people. Firm. And that's some of the crew coming up there. And this is the rest of the crew. That huge ever crew, people, that you guys did see. This is what it boiled down to. A lot of them are on the bus. But we are still journeying it by foot, my people. By foot. Foot, my people. We foot our car. It's all about the fitness, guys. Ooh. Yeah, we are feel, yeah, like we're getting closer and closer. Yeah, I thought so too. Yeah. Yeah, take away some banana. Mm-mm. First, me I hear that one day. Me I tell you, you tie and grate up on your foot. This is what left of the crew, people. Only the strong. Water down. Only the strong will survive.
Car.
Car. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my.
Yeah, man. 1944. You can bet that probably an email address.
What lead to down there, sir? Oh, most likely, yeah. Yes, it is. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And this is Joshua.
When children never get props to look at them and move on a different speed.
I tell you. Mm-mm.
I know when we stop asleep, we want sleep.
I will tell you, we just want to stretch out. Eat and stretch out.
Life and life is a ribs, you know.
But it's not normal. 10 o'clock after 1 now.
What's after 1 second? Leave them.
Yeah, yeah. You see that, people? Come jam with your bunononos. Yeah, man. A Jamaica talk that, you know, people. Yeah, man, welcome. Come jam with your bunononos. Woo! Where's my bunononos? All the way up there, people. So this is the ticket booth. So this is the checking off point. We are finally here, my people. Holywell.
The person in charge of the
And them here work with up some people. Them big boogie something here. How where that name, babes?
You're alright?
No, I'm not. Good question.
What is that? Where that name?
Good answer, Mr.
Married.
Yes, that's so good. That's so good.
So we eat people belly full. We are all a medi. Me not catch none of them here.
Well,
People, you see how late we are up here? We are up here.
James, pull up. One more time.
We are having fun, people.
You can't do without me, no. You can't. Let me tell you why you can't do without me. because me laugh at all of your jokes them. I don't them not funny, you know.
Achoo.
Me laugh at them same
You
way.
can't do that.
Yeah.
Come on, somebody will laugh. I
Yeah.
shall laugh about any and everything. You can't do that.
Yes, yes. And guess what now? You get so comfortable after 25 years. You come here from a couple months.
Final couple for this evening. And we're at our marriage. Send up some love for them. For your shining like gold.
A lot of couple people.
Hey!
No. Barely plug out the phone.
So we have on the floor.
Dogfish.
Yeah.
We got married not because of
Hey.
true love will bring the marriage through when we talk about what we should.
Yeah.
Alright,
May I come beside you?
Grab your spouse.
People want to see how much are we come?
Foot to foot.
A
Foot to foot.
whole lot of us.
Foot to foot. Foot to foot.
My,
To back.
Head to back.
Head to back.
we don't understand.
Why they wait?
Head to back.
Head back.
Not a foreigner. Head to back.
Then you step back.
Head to
Put your
back.
head near your spouse back.
No, I
Head to back.
I look forward to back.
Back to back.
Back to back.
Back to back. Right hand to left ankle.
So we are playing a game,
Right
people.
hand to left ankle.
Right? Come back.
You can't just see uncle.
Oh my God. Exercise.
Right foot over left hip.
The one that not go work. Right? No, look near. Look here. Left. No, this is impossible.
Mouth to mouth. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's a lover's thing. It's a lover's thing. It's a lover's thing.
I don't know the motor cutting out with me. Have you do?
It's a lover's thing. This is how we check out. Thank you very much. This has been our.
So yes, people, this is our lovers hike to Holywell. And we are going home now. Checking out. We are about to board the bus, people. We're going with one heap of something. I couldn't show everything. But I managed to capture a few. So we are chatting it down back, people, to the bus. So this was a well spent day, people. I could have shown everything. We were having fun. And trust me, I could have break it to come video, to be honest. But we have fun. So everybody is trailing it back down. And now it's 6 o'clock, my people. And that's Hosey with all the weight. I mean, he chose to carry them. I can manage that little bag, you know, but you know the ladies, gentleman that he is.
And that is a wife. So she'll be generous. Took away the lightest load. But nevertheless, it's a load. And she's treading on her journey. Yeah? It is no doubt that she have a wonderful time today. We are leaving Holywell. Going back home, my people. Walk from all the way to Holywell. Yeah. There we go. That is it. over the hills and valley. Yep.
You are walking so slow. What, you tired?
Nope.
Okay.
And everybody brisk and fast like you, you know. You know you want full of so much energy. Woo!
That's not your bus?
No, that's not our bus. Night, people. We are leaving Holywell. Big baller. Mackenzie, the big baller people. Big baller, big baller.